Today we will work on a road sign. The task is not difficult, but quite interesting. But be careful. Almost 50% of our viewers answer incorrectly in the comments. So here is the task. What does this sign mean? Number 1, no U-turn allowed. Number 2, stay in your lane. Number 3, it is dangerous to overtake other vehicles. Number 4, narrow road ahead. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video, you will find out whether you are right or not. I'll set the timer and give you 5 seconds to think it over. I hope you had a time to make a choice because we are moving on to a breakdown of this task. The No Passing Zone sign is a pennant-shaped warning placed on the left side of the road. It tells drivers that it is unsafe to pass other vehicles due to limited visibility or road conditions, such as curves or hills. Crossing the center line to overtake another vehicle in this zone could cause a head-on collision. Obey this sign for your safety and that of others. So the correct answer is number 3. Congratulations if you have chosen it. I'm Bill, your driving instructor. Subscribe to my channel so that the police never stop you and issue a fine. Drive safely and take care.